see what we think. All right. So that's sustain. It's got really good sustain. Sounds real nice. The rings out real nice. Good lows too. I like it, man. Yeah, I mean, usually when you pick up an acoustic guitar, I mean, you're kind of limited to like these first like 3 to 5 frets, you know. But you can have these big open chords, you know, almost like you're playing in church. Even down to like funky stuff, like I don't know, like Prince. I don't know. I like it, man. Similar to Thomas's. I like the action on this. It feels really nice, really playable, you know. So, first thoughts, I don't want to sound cliche, but really easy to play. And there's some real importance to that more than just the obvious. So, I mean, I'll find a guitar and I like it, and I'm like, I love the way this looks. I want it on the wall, and it can sound good, but it can play like trash, right? And if that happens, I'll put it aside. I won't play it. So especially if you're like a newer player or like a beginner player, like the first thing you're going to do if it doesn't play well, if it's hard to play, they're just going to drop it. I experience that with my kid all the time, where her cheap guitar, she'll grab mine because she struggles playing it, right? So that's first impression. You know, again, versatility. It seems like you can handle pretty much anything anywhere. But they can also handle, kind of blues stuff, right? Oh, sorry.